Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and positioning the unit. Plug a 12V source and check the 5 fuse because insufficient current stalls the motor. Once done, inspect the rope for frays and measure against the diameter. Replace if damage exceeds 10% to avoid sudden failure. Make sure to lock the mounting bracket and align the thruster axis within 2 degrees of the pull direction so the force transfers efficiently. This reduces side loading and prevents premature wear. You now engage the motor at low speed to take initial slack. This prevents sudden jerks that can overstrain anchors. Once tension reads steady on your gauge, increase to medium-high speed to reach the target load because controlled ramping extends component life. Make sure to watch spool feed and guide rollers continuously. If the rope overlaps or kinks, stop and rewind slowly. Also, balance load distribution between primary and secondary anchors, so no single point sees You finish by reducing speed to idle and holding for 10 seconds to let the rope seat, then cut power. This avoids recoil and sets a stable end state. Once stopped, inspect all fastenings, confirm final tension with your gauge, and log cycle duration for maintenance records, since trends predict wear. If something goes wrong, if the motor stalls, for example, check the 5 fuse first, then battery voltage and any rope binding. Clear the obstruction before restarting to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.